Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be talking about pivot table. This pivot table is very important while performing some arithmetical or manipulations or data wrangling or data massaging, or if you want to know what is the summary of the data, pivot table is very useful in doing so. So let's jump in directly to our practical practical example. So let's start. So how do we create a pivot table? So for creating a pivot table, we have to first select the table, and then there will be an option at insert. Click on insert, click pivot table and click on from table and range. Once you click on table and range, you will find a pop-up or a dialog box which will show you the range which you have selected. Just click on OK, and you see the pivot table is created. So pivot table, as discussed, it will give you the summary, right? How it gave the summary? You see 8, or let's say 7. 7 is repeated twice, right? 90 and 120. So it should be 210. So summary, 7 is repeated as 1 in the summary, and the total value is the sum of these two numbers. So that's how pivot table works. I can show you one more shortcut how to put pivot table out. Just you select the table, and there's a shortcut Alt D P. Once you click Alt D P, you will have a pivot table wizard. Just select Microsoft Excel here, select pivot table, go to next, click on next, and it will ask you finally, where do you want to put the pivot table? In a new worksheet or in an existing worksheet? New worksheet, as I showed you, it will be sheet 2. But if you want to create the pivot table in the existing worksheet, in this specific worksheet where I am selecting the table, it will create here. See, should have created here. Let's see why it did not. Actually, it should create here. That's something wrong with this. Let's just delete our previous pivot tables. Maybe that is the reason, since it is already multiple pivot tables are open. So let's try it again. Alt DP, existing sheet, and you have to, sorry, I did not mention this. Once you select the existing sheet, you have to select the range. From here to here, you want the pivot table, and just click on finish. See, I told you, right? It will be giving the output in the same sheet. Just drag and drop your field, customer ID and sales. This is a little bit convenient because you can see your number, repeating numbers, and you can then add this, right? Just you'll get a summary of it. Like example, customer ID 1, it is which are getting repeated, like 5 is getting repeated, right? See, if 660 plus 50, 660 plus 50 is 7110. So like for 5, sorry, I think there is one more 5 here, 110. So 50, 660 and 110 is giving you 820, right? This is the 820. So that's how you summarize your data, and this is used widely in the industry. Thank you guys for watching this lecture. In the next video, I'll come up with VLOOKUP. Do stay tuned. Thank you.